What's up? In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A10. Alright, so here we have it. This is the Samsung Galaxy A10. This phone was released in March 2019. This phone has a 6.2-inch touchscreen. It has a 13 megapixel camera and shoots videos 1080p at 30 frames per second. This one comes with 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. And it has a 3400 mAh lithium-ion non-removable battery. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let's open it up. So here in the box, it just says Samsung up here. This is like a tape, I guess, to hold the box closed. Over here. It says A10 over here in big letters on the bottom, just the serial information on the phone. This is the black color. It says Samsung Galaxy A10 over here on this side. Nothing at the top, nothing over here on this side, just blank. And then just basic information on the actual phone itself back here. And once again, the serial numbers at the bottom. All right, let's open it up. Alright, so here we have a white box. Here I would assume that we probably have the manuals and paperwork. A quick start guide right here. And quick start guide in Spanish. Here we have it, the Samsung Galaxy A10. We can already tell it has the notch up here at the top for the front camera. Put it down here for a second, see what else we got here. So it looks like it comes with 3.5 millimeter headphones. Alright, here we have a micro USB cable for the Galaxy A10. They haven't changed to the USB Type-C just yet. And then here we have your travel charger, wall adapter charger. And this one charges 5 volts, 1 amp. So just regular basic charging. And here we have the SIM pin to remove your SIM card tray from your Galaxy A10. So here we have the phone. Let's go ahead and remove these plastics. So here we have the back of the phone, very smooth looking, glass-like feel to it, but it is a plastic back cover. Here we have your main camera, flash, Samsung logo right here. Down here towards the bottom, we're gonna have the IMEI of the phone. So here we have the volume buttons right here on this side and the power button right here. So up here at the top, we're gonna have a small hole here. That's for the microphone input. On this side, we have another small hole here. This one is for the SIM card. And here is your SIM card tray. 2 SIM card slots right here and for the micro SD. Alright, so I already powered the phone on. It's completely on now. It's connected to Wi-Fi. I'm already logged in. So I've been playing around with it for a little bit now. I can tell that the screen is super smooth. And for a phone of this price, it does have the full screen with the small notch up here at the top for the front camera. So awesome looking screen here for a phone at this price level. It's a 6.2-inch screen. So very nice size screen. Go ahead and compare it next to the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus over here. So this right here is the S10. As you can see, it does look a little bit bigger. And then right here we have the S10 Plus. All right, let's go ahead and check the phone out. Let's see what the dial pad looks like. All right, so very smooth here on the dial pad. Nice feedback here from the buttons. Good size dial pad. Let's go ahead and check out the messages and the keyboard. All right, so pretty basic keyboard here. Nice size. You do get some feedback every time you type in a letter or number. Let's go ahead and check out the camera. So we have the zoom feature right here, which if you select it, it will automatically zoom in ×2. We have the video mode here. Okay, we have in video mode, it goes to full size and you can actually select the options up here, 916, 11, which is square or full. If you select full, it will be the entire screen. We can go to Pro photos. Here you can change things like the ISO, the color grading here. Up here we have the flash. We have a timer, screen size once again, and we also have panorama photos. And let's go ahead and check out the selfie camera. So there we have the selfie camera. Pretty nice quality here for the selfie camera and selfie video. And you can also change the resolution here, and you can also set the selfie mode to full as well. Let's go to settings up here. And then here we can change the different quality that we want for the video recording from the rear camera and the front camera. So the highest it goes up to is 1080 at 30 frames per second. And for the front camera as well, 1080p at 30 frames per second. Not too happy about that. I would expect the rear camera to have a much better recording resolution, but it looks like they made both cameras on this phone the same quality for video recording. So here we have other options, high efficiency videos, HDR, your grid lines, location tags, camera mode, and that's pretty much it. And then here you can select how you want to save your pictures and videos. Let's go into settings and let's check wallpapers. So here under my wallpapers, you will see a couple different wallpapers to choose from. These are already available so that you can just go ahead and install any of these to your home lock screen or home and lock screen. So we'll check this one out, set as wallpaper, and there you go. Or you can also choose from many of the free wallpapers that are included here in the Galaxy Themes app. So you can go to top here and you can see that there's a bunch of free ones. So you can get any of these. Let's see, let's go ahead and get this one. You have to download it. So you can either sign in with your Samsung account or with your Google account. So let's go here in settings and let's check the hardware on the device. So here in device care, you'll be able to see your battery percentage and what apps are taking up most of your battery and battery usage. Here we can check the storage. This one is a 32 gigabyte model, and it states that I haven't really downloaded any third-party apps yet, and it already says that 9.4 gigabytes are already being used up by the system. Memory, so this phone has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Here it will tell you what's already used up by the system and what you have available. All right, so I did download Geekbench 4. So we're gonna go ahead and run the Geekbench 4 test now so that we can check the scores of the processor. All right, so let's go ahead and run it. Run CPU benchmark test. And there we go, the benchmark test is done. Here are the scores. So 1,164 single core score and 3,641 multi-core score. So we can actually compare these with other devices as well. If we select multi-core score here, it will show the multi-score of the Galaxy A10. And then down here, it will show you other comparable phones like the Note 8, 6,000, S8 is 6,400. So you can see that the score is pretty low compared to these flagship top-end phones. And these aren't even the newest one, because right now we would be comparing with the Note 9 and the Galaxy S10, which is way higher. So if you scroll down here, it gives us a little bit more information on the phone, the memory, the processor type. So it's one processor with 8 cores, and here is the speed of cores on the processor. And then if you keep scrolling down, there's just a bunch more information here on the actual speeds of each performance and so forth. So yeah, here are the Geekbench 4 scores for the Samsung Galaxy A10. This is an excellent phone for the price though. So you can actually get this phone on Amazon. It's a factory unlocked phone, meaning you could use it anywhere worldwide. It has dual SIM card tray, so you can have 2 SIM cards in there for when you're traveling. You don't have to be, pulling your SIM card tray in and out. And this phone is only $139.99 right now at this moment. It's going to be a link down below in the description if you are interested in getting your Samsung Galaxy A10. Alright everyone, so hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.